Hey you guys, tonight we are at the Luxor, the Tower Suite, the Tower, and I'm about to show you the room. So let's go in. Tonight I am in room 17338. I've been saying 1738, you know, like Fetty Wap. Okay, so let's go in. All right. So this is where you walk in. I've been here for a minute already, so let's close the door. Okay, so because I went to the House of Blues for dinner with me and Heather. Okay, so this is me, and I love these lights, are so cool looking. But anyway, this is the room. It's 2 beds. I like this room. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. This is the room, 2 beds. Has a TV. Don't mind my drink. I just went down and got a drink and a little snack for later because I know I'm gonna be hungry. TV, the wardrobe. I have my duffel bag in there. It has hangers, stuff like that. And then the view and these 2 nice chairs. Me and Heather were sitting here talking for like 2 hours, it seemed like. So it's very, very comfortable. And 1 bed, 2 beds, and then this lamp. I actually really like. I think this lamp is so pretty. Like, I think this room is really pretty. So I'm gonna be turning off the light and showing you guys the view. All right, it gets very dark in here. Okay, so we are on the Mandalay Bay side. We can see the Mandalay Bay, and right over there is the airport. I'm sure you could hear that, the airplanes. And then that right there, that light, that's the pyramid. Got the lights going up. Mandalay Bay, this is the room. I actually like this view a lot. Okay, now let's turn on the light and go to the bathroom. Ooh, where's the light? Where's the light? I'm telling you, it's dark in here. Okay, so let's go to the bathroom. Okay, this is the bathroom. Come in. Boop, it's a light. It's nice, I like it. Like the sink, it's gold and black, you know. It's really pretty. And we have a shower, toilet over there. And we have a bathtub. So guess what I'll be doing when my video is uploading, when my video is uploading in the bathtub. So this is the bath, and then right here it has like a window you can see in the shower. So I thought that was interesting. But yeah, so oh yeah, I didn't show you this light. I really like this light. It's really pretty. So I like this room so far. I really like it. But yeah, that's the room. That's it. Okay, so in the wardrobe thing, I didn't tell you yesterday, there's an ironing board, and hangers. I was kind of in a rush yesterday doing this because I was tired and wanted to get in bed. And this nice lamp over here, it actually is like orangey color, which was very nice at night. I like kept it on most of the night because I really liked it. Yeah, and this it's nice. It's easy to turn on. Excuse my nails. But yeah, let me show you some other things that I missed last night. Okay, so they do have the kit that you get at all MGM resorts. It has a mask. It has a few masks. I need to turn off my alarm because I was gonna go back to sleep. But hold on a second. Okay, so I do have these masks. I prefer these masks over the other masks, the cloth ones, because these, I like the disposable masks. When I stayed at MGM in August, they have the disposable mask. I still have that one, but I use these a lot more because I like just these feel better to me, and they don't make my face itch. So, okay, so we have 2 masks in there and a hand sanitizer and 2 masks, like I said. So I'm definitely going to be taking this home because I love the masks. And then I didn't show you this where the safe is. The safe is actually in the drawer right here. I didn't notice this until I looked around last night. And this is the safe in here. I don't have anything in here. It's pretty hefty. It's good enough for a laptop and stuff like that. This one's like really hefty. It's a nice one. It's nice. And I don't think there's a refrigerator in here. That's what I noticed too yesterday. There's no refrigerator here. The TV's nice. I turned it on for a little bit last night and watched a little bit of Modern Family before I went to sleep, and it's very nice. And okay, so I was sitting here yesterday, and this is the first time I've ever seen this in a hotel. It says no weed smoking. This is the weed sign. Like, it says no regular smoking and then no weed smoking. So I thought that was funny because I never saw that before in the thing. And then here's a letter from Luxor talking about like their policies and stuff like that. Mask. Oh, I have to sneeze. And room service and stuff like that. And then this is the for the housekeeping. So yeah, I didn't use that because I'm not getting housekeeping. I'm about to leave right now. But I thought that was funny because I've never seen that before in the hotel. Let's see what else I didn't show you. These nice lighting, like recessed lighting over here by the window. And they have it by the beds, by the 2 beds. It's really nice. And they have this nice hall entrance light and paintings. I really like this room. I would stay here again. I liked it, and I never thought I would stay in at the Luxor. But this room, the tower, you can see my bra. The tower room, very nice. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready and go home because it's about to be 10:30 and check out at 11, and I'm trying to be out of here by 11 because I have to get home and do some work. But yeah. I just wanted to show you guys what I forgot to show you yesterday. Well, last night because I was sleepy. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.